Welcome to Brain Vision.
Hi guys, let's solve problem 16.58. We need to find out by which factor does the fraction of collision changes when the temperature is increased from 25 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. From the Arrhenius equation we know this exponential term in the Arrhenius equation is the fraction of collision, which is denoted by F. So let's use all the given values and calculate the fraction of collision. Let us denote it as F2. The temperature is given 50 degrees Celsius. Let's convert it to Kelvin scale. So this gives us 323 Kelvin. The activation energy is in kilojoule. Let's convert it to joule by multiplying only 1000. Now let's insert all these values here. The gas constant is 8.314. This gives us exponential negative 37.24, which is equal to 6.72 multiplied by 10 inverse 7. At 25 degrees Celsius, the fraction of collision is given, which is 2.96 multiplied by 10 inverse 8. So to determine the increase in fraction of collision, what we need to do, we need to take the fraction of these two numbers, F2 by F1, which gives us 22.7. Therefore, the fraction of collision increased by a factor of 22.7.